Welcome to Achill Island. I can't see a damn thing. Do you guys remember me telling you that I hate riding in the mist? Well, this is fucking hell. This is beyond misty. I can see 2 feet in front of me right now. It's amazing. Jesus, it's so sketchy. It's so sketchy. But I refuse to crash. As I say that, I hit a pothole. Just another summer's day in Ireland. Whoa. Oh man, this road is sketchy. Man sounds, because I almost dropped the bike. Okay. I think we're kind of on a smooth surface. Woo! I'm glad that's over.